My hoverboard stopped working, so I opened the hoverboard. How to open you can see on my channel some other videos and for the software upgrade hacking. But this hoverboard I saw here, this capacitor you can see it is damaged, so we need to change. So sometimes small problems, maybe it is overheat or something happen, very easy to diagnose, no need to replace or buy new one. So here only one capacitor is damaged. So when you open this MOSFET screws, you can and remove the heatsink. So this one is GD32F103. This is same like STM32103, but only little manufacturer change. Actually, STM is same. So only just change the capacitor, and I will check again, and this problem solve or not. I think only this problem. So it is not working sometime, giving problem. So I will change, and after the repair I will show you it start works.